Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this pumpkin eating a child. Firstly, you need a small child. Nah, just kidding. You need a pair of trousers, like kids' trousers and kids' shoes. Then adult socks with, I've just rolled up a t-shirt and stuffed it inside here just to sort of give the leg substitute. You need your normal carving stuff, so I've got a paring knife, a marker pen and a spoon. That's just to scoop it out and to actually carve, you know. And I've got a head torch. I find a head torch is really good because it glows red, so it just gives you that nice red glow. And that's it. Alright, obviously first step, you got to cut around the top here.
Oh, let's see. Well, why do we have to get all the seeds out? I don't want to be covered in pumpkin seeds.
So we got our pumpkin all scooped out. Time to draw on the face. So I'm going to go for a huge big mouth because we need to fit the trousers in there. So honestly, massive big mouth. Like that. See it?
Yeah?
And then we need to fit. So you do the mouth first so that you know you've got big enough, and then what we're going to do is squeeze. Somebody running my video of beeping outside. Squeeze an eye in there.
And there.
And there. How do you like it?
Cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? And then we're going to go for evil eyes.
Yay.
Ooh.
Like an
Like cat's eyes.
Cats.
What do you think?
I just think it's that scary. I think it should be more scarier.
More scarier. Well,
Make it have pointy teeth.
oh yeah, it's going to have pointy teeth. Right? So I'll just draw a guideline here. We need to have some sort of gap for the pointy teeth. Rawr. Haha! So there we go. We got our teeth. Now all I'm doing now is just, because it's thick, I'm cutting it at like a sort of 45-degree angle, so instead of cutting in straight like that, and then cutting in like that, just so that you can't really see the white around here that much. It just sort of thins it out a bit.
Oh, this balloon thingy is right.
Right, so now we've got our sort of outline carved out. It's time to make all the teeth white and the eyes white. So all I do for that is I'm just going to cut. I'm only cutting in about maybe 2-3 mil, like not even. It's basically just through the skin on the top and the bottom here, so that we can separate it. And then you just come in at a slight angle and we just carve off the orange. And there we have it. And just a little bit at the bottom here too. And the deeper in you go, the sort of whiter colour you get. I'm just putting a kind of bevel on the eyes here, just so they've got better shape.
And now
Yep.
teeth.
Now we just do the teeth. Right, so there we go. We got our face carved out.
I want to touch it.
Just careful. But all we got to do now is just trim off the teeth where we're going to put the trousers. So basically just to make like a sort of a gap. So I'm going to start about here and just open up along the bottom there. Now the top teeth, I don't want to cut too much off there because I want them to look like they're jagged in. But about there. Right, so that's a nice opening then. We can have all the trousers coming out of there.
It's like you already ate something and all the stuff will come out.
Right. All I'm going to do now is, with my pen, just put in a few wrinkle lines just to make it look extra kind of grrr, and then we'll make the trousers. There we go. So, a little black outline really makes a nice difference. It makes it pop. And next
That's
step,
going to eat you.
I'll show you how to make the legs and the feet.
And I never told you the plan yet. I want to do the plan. That was my plan.
What I'm using is, you can use cardboard or anything, but I'm going to use 2 t-shirts and 2 pairs of socks for this. So all you do is you just roll the t-shirts up. So that they make like a tube, and stuff them inside the socks. Because you're basically making legs. There's one leg. 2 legs. Time to put it all together. So, start off with the trousers. Stick the legs in. Just sort of stuff them in there. There we got our kids' legs, and all you do now is you just, obviously you want to use a pair of trousers you don't mind getting pumpkin juice on. You just have to sort of ease it in, making sure you don't break the teeth off, because that's quite easy to do. You don't want to force it. There you go, pumpkin eating a child. That's how it's done. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, share it, subscribe, all that lovely stuff. I'll see you for the next one.